issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sun Prairie, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size... Source, radar indicated.
Are you in?
Impact, tail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Fort Atkinson, Windsor, Marshall, DeForest, Cottage Grove, Deerfield, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Utica, Rockdale, Russellville, Deansville, East Bristol, Morrisonville, and Tobin Creek.
I'm not in those
Protection, move
counties.
to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.